What missions have explored Mars? Mars has fascinated scientists for decades, and numerous space missions, orbiters, landers, and rovers have been sent to explore the red planet. These missions have helped us learn about Mars' surface, climate, geology, atmosphere, and potential for life. Here's an overview of the most notable Mars exploration missions. Early flybys and orbiters. Mariner 4. First successful flyby of Mars, sending back the first close-up images of another planet. Mariner 6 and 7 captured detailed pictures of Mars' surface and atmosphere. Mariner 9. First spacecraft to orbit another planet, revealed massive canyons, volcanoes, and evidence of past water. Soviet missions. Mars 3. First spacecraft to soft land on Mars, but lost contact seconds after landing. Flybys 1 and 2. Aimed to study Mars and its moon. Both suffered failures, but Flybys 2 returned some data. NASA landers and rovers Viking 1 and 2. First successful landers performed experiments to detect life, returned stunning surface images. Pathfinder and Sojourner delivered the first successful Mars rover, demonstrating mobility on the surface. Spirit and Opportunity. Twin rovers that vastly exceeded their expected lifespans, uncovering strong evidence of past water. Curiosity. A car-sized rover exploring Gale Crater, studying Mars' habitability and climate history. Perseverance. Searching for signs of ancient life in Jezero Crater and collecting samples for future return. Ingenuity. The first helicopter to fly on another planet, demonstrating powered flight in Mars' thin atmosphere. Orbital missions. Mars Global Surveyor mapped the surface and monitored the climate. Mars Odyssey, still operating, detects water ice and monitors radiation. Mars Express, Europe's first Mars mission, studies atmosphere and surface. Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, high-resolution imaging and climate monitoring. MAVEN studies Mars' upper atmosphere and its interaction with solar wind. ExoMars Trace Gas Orbiter investigates trace gases like methane for possible biological activity. Recent and international missions. Hope Probe, the first Arab interplanetary mission, studies the Martian atmosphere and weather. Tianwen-1 includes an orbiter, lander, and the Zhurong rover. China's first successful Mars mission. Future and planned missions. Mars Sample Return, planned for the 2030s, aims to bring samples collected by Perseverance back to Earth. Rosalind Franklin rover will search for biosignatures beneath the Martian surface. These missions have transformed Mars from a mysterious red dot in the sky into a dynamic world with a complex history and a key target in the search for life beyond Earth.